Hi, friends. It's Friday. Yay! I love Fridays. Anyway, we are going to be going over our pencil rubric again. And the last day of this week, we are talking about ending the sentence with punctuation. And I kind of liked doing it this way because we are ending the sentence just like we're ending the week. Anyway, I'm full of good jokes. You just wait. So let's just review real quick. Your picture matches your words when you're writing. You have to remember your audience, and your audience is your reader. So we want to make sure that our writing is something that someone can read and enjoy. And these are the ways that we make it enjoyable for them, is that our words match our pictures, that we start with a capital letter or uppercase letters, always in the sentences, and then you stretch our words so that even if you cannot spell it yet, that you're getting real close to the point where your reader can look at those letters and can decide, okay, well, they meant this word. Even if it's not right, boys and girls, you still try, and you try to just write all the sounds that you do hear in that word, and stretching it out makes it easier for you to hear all the sounds. And then we also use 2-finger spaces so that we just don't have a line of letters all together and someone's trying to figure it out like it's a puzzle. You don't want your writing to be a puzzle to them. And then the very last one is ending the sentence with punctuation. That's where you see the stop sign. It's just, that's the end of it, stop. So we have to decide what punctuation we're going to use. Now I have up here the three punctuation. Which one's this one? It's the period, and that means it's a full stop, and it's just a telling sentence that you're telling your readers something. And this, of course, is what? Question mark, yep. And that means you're asking your reader a question. You want your reader to answer it. And then the very last one would be the punctuation mark. It is a punctuation mark. Sorry, boys and girls, but this is an exclamation point. Sorry. See, even I make mistakes. Good thing you're okay with that, and that you allow me to make mistakes. Thank you. But the question mark is for asking sentences, and the exclamation point, well, that's used when we are expressing shock or surprise, like, yikes. You would use a question or an exclamation point. I'm having trouble today. Or anger. If in your writing you're writing about someone being angry, then you would use an exclamation point. Anything with a lot of feelings or emotion is when you use the exclamation point. And I'm looking here, and I don't think these are all that easy to read. So I'm going to zoom in on the sentences because those are more important than you seeing my face right now. Okay, so let's look at the first one. We're going to decide which punctuation mark to use at the end of our sentence. So here we go. Let's go ahead and read. What kind of ice cream do you like? Do I know what kind of ice cream you like? No. Am I asking you what kind of ice cream do you like? I am asking. So what punctuation mark do we use when we're asking a question? You're right. It is a question mark. Very good. So we would use the question mark. What kind of ice cream do you like? Tell me. I want to know. Shout it out. Maybe your parents will get you some. And then let's look here. We have today is Friday. Am I asking you what day it is? No. Am I telling you what day it is? I sure am. Today is Friday. Am I saying it with shock or surprise? Not really. Am I angry about it? Oh, no way. Monday, that's a different story. But Fridays, no, I'm not usually angry about Fridays. Let's go ahead and use the period. It's just the stop of the sentence. It's just ending the sentence. And then the last one is, watch out! I'm thinking exclamation point. What do you think? Yep. Very good. So you see we use each one in a different way. So when you do your writing, think about how you are using the words, and if you're telling something, if you're asking something of your reader, or if you're saying something like a command or a direction that's really important, or something that's a surprise, you use your exclamation point. Very good. Have a good weekend.